Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are in automatic payment program. So in automatic payment program, what we have done, we have done the configurations, we have performed the testing. Still there are a lot more things we'll discuss one by one. Now, so say for example, we are having multiple invoices. These are all our invoice amount. Okay, so multiple invoices are there. Every nice invoice will be having a document number, guys. Okay, so say for example, these are the document number. This is invoice amount. Now, so if we are having multiple invoices, right? Let's suppose when we run automatic payment program, right? So in APP, what is happening, guys? Let's suppose there is a requirement. All the invoices, let's suppose, all the invoices are overdue. So when we run automatic payment program, system will select all the invoices. System will select all the invoices for the payment posting. Now here what happened, guys? Out of these all invoices, say for example, client says that kindly exclude this invoice, right? Certain dispute is going on, so that can be included in next payment run. So what is happening, guys? If you have to exclude certain, like out of all invoices, if you have to exclude a particular invoice, or not only one invoice, guys, it could be multiple invoices also. Then what to do for that, right? So for this one, we are having multiple options. Okay, we have multiple options. What are those options? I'll do. So the first thing is, I think here is the configuration of the server. It's taking time, guys. Wait some time. Okay. Now, to FP. I think whatever the line item was there, server is a bit slow, guys, right? Is it slow for everyone or it's for me only? Okay, Momita is saying not slow. Okay, that might be because of network issues. Now, so here, go for FP60 transaction code and post certain invoices. We'll post on previous date, guys. So the invoices will be overdue, right? This is the GL account and this is the amount. And better to post these invoices against a particular business area, because I have to cover one scenario, save it, and once again, we'll post another invoice worth of 2000. Okay, this is also going to be posted against a particular business. This business area scenario will be explained. So it's taking time, guys. Why it is taking this much time? Okay, it is posted. It is posted now. So come here, execute. Okay. So we are having two invoices, right? Now, if you run automatic payment flow, so it is 21. You can give same identification code. And I told you guys that the combination must be unique. Right? So a different date is there and identification code is same. There is no issues because the combination is different. Company code, payment method, and next payment date, a future date will be given. There is a logic behind this that also I'll explain. Don't worry. Give your vendor number here, and these are the additional log. So that system is going to check due dates and all. Save it. Now I run the proposal. See, if you run the proposal here, display proposal, guys. So now come down. 6,000. 6,000 means both invoices, right? If you want to see, come back here. Click on display proposal. 6,000. Double click on this line item. So here, both invoices, 4,000 plus 2,000 is appearing. Now there is a requirement that there is a dispute with this invoice worth of 4,000. So if dispute is there, then what will happen, guys? Of course, payment is not going to be posted unless the dispute is going to be settled. So two things are there. If management says that you just do one thing for this proposal, you remove this item. Okay, for this proposal, you remove this item. We'll see in next proposal whether we have to release the payment or not. Okay, so in that case, what happened, guys? In that case, we have option. What options are to be? So you need to click on edit proposal, press enter and double click here, and we are going to block this line item, in the sense this invoice. Double click on this and payment block. Give payment block A. Press enter. So this line item, what is happening guys, is blocked. Now what is happening? The payment will be posted for 2000, whereas 4000 will be the part of exception list. What is this exception list guys? Whichever line items are the part of exception list, it means those line items are like not eligible for payment. You click on back button. Look at here, this 4000. Okay, there is a part of exception list. How you will come to know? You click on this, keep here. Look at here. This red color. Okay, so here new excepts. It is written. So it's a kind of exception list, in the sense like here the payment will not be posted against this one, but 2000 is free for payment. Repeat here, payment. Now if you click on back button, save it. Yes. So guys, it will, if you check the proposal here, right, there won't be any impact on proposal. It will be showing 6000 itself. Why? Because proposal got generated initially itself, right? And then after we have edited the proposal, so whatever the details were generated by SAP, these details are now, it is not going to be changed. It will be as it is, but anyway, user know very well that we have edited the proposal, right? And as per the whatever new edits and all, only 2000 worth of payment is going to be posted. So what happened guys, see, so this is how what is happening. I'll remove the block here. Remove the block. So this is how what is happening. This line item is going to be, I'll tell you now, look at here, the exception list becomes 0. And here the 4000 is transferred to this line. Okay. Anyway, 0 means nothing, right? So it is transferred here. Now 6000, we are eligible for payment of 6000. Now, so we can edit the proposal as per our requirement. Okay. So this is a temporary block, guys. Whatever block we have applied here, right? Whatever block we have applied for this current run, right? If you are going to run tomorrow APP, then again system is going to select this 4000 worth of invoice. Why? Because whatever block is applicable here right now at proposal level, guys, that block is valid till that particular proposal itself. I'll tell you the reason behind of explaining this. A very simple question can be the reason of your rejections. It was there earlier. Somebody asked like, okay, what is the difference between if I apply a block at line item level, if I apply a block at proposal level? So what is the difference, right? So guys, now proposal level I have shown here. It is a temporary block, which is that block it is valid for this proposal only. Next time, if we are going to run APP again next day, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then this block is not valid because a different proposal is going to be generated, right? A different run date we have given, a different identification code will be there. In the sense, unique combinations will be there. No matter identification code is different or same, doesn't matter. but that is again a different run is there, right? So this line item 4000 was blocked in the current run. If you run tomorrow or day after tomorrow, system is going to select that invoice. Okay. Now let's suppose if the management says that no, this is a dispute and payment will not be posted until unless the dispute is going to be settled. So here it means we also don't know how long it is going to take. So simply double click on this line item and we can apply a block here. If A and save it. A is nothing but payment block. So if you apply a block, then what will happen, guys? Now this invoice is not going to be selected by system. Come back and delete the proposal. Here itself will test it. Now what is happening, guys? Whatever block we have applied at proposal level, that I have removed. Now I have applied a block at line item level. Run the proposal now. Display proposal. So look at here. Exception list got generated. 4000 is overdue, but still the payment posting is not possible. Why? Because the block is applied, right? So at line item level, whatever block is being applied, that is a permanent block, and that for that invoice, payment is not possible until unless the block is going to be removed by user, right? Whereas if we apply any block at proposal level, then that block is valid till current proposal only. If you are going to run APP tomorrow, in next run, what is happening? Once again, system is going to treat this line item, this is 4000 amount, as a fresh invoice, and system is going to select this invoice in the next proposal run, in the next payment run. Okay, so this is what the difference. So now if you have to, let's suppose any invoice where like client says that, okay, kindly exclude this line item. So how it is going to happen, guys? We can apply a block either at proposal level or at line item level. There is one more thing, guys. We have one more option. Which option is there? That is there in free selection tab here. Okay, so you just do one thing since we have only two line items. So I'll have to post fewer invoices. Don't worry, I'll post it. Remove and save it. So now what happened, guys? We have removed the block. Delete the proposal. So what was the requirement, guys? The requirement is to remove a particular invoice from current run, right? So you can apply block or else click on free selection tab. And here multiple selection criterias are there. Okay. So what you have to do? You need to click here. This drop down box. Look at here, document number is there. If it is not appearing here, then you can click on others. Double click on others and press enter button. So here you'll be getting, look at here, document date, posting date, document number here. Double click on document number. So document number. Okay. And apply a check mark exclude value. Okay. So exclude value means what, guys? Which one? Invoice number. Which invoice supposed to be excluded? So invoice number 1022. 1022. But here generally what happened, guys? This format will not be supported by SAP. The document number which we have given is having only 4-digit length, right? So right now, if you run the proposal, press alpha, display proposal, both line items are selected for payment. Why? Because whatever criteria we have given, guys, system is not going to understand this document number. So delete the proposal, and here system understands the document number. System knows that document number length is 10 digit. So here add 60. Okay, add 60. Then look at here, 10 digit. It is there. Now you save it. Run the proposal. Press enter. Now this time if you display, look at here, only 2000. Right? If you check here, so here system is showing 2000. Okay. So I'll tell you guys, here in free selections, certain changes we have made, right? So in free selections, what is happening, guys? In free selections, see. So the question is, now there is a query, guys. Earlier we have applied a block, right? We have applied a block, and then we have seen system was showing 6000. But right now what is happening? We have given a condition here in free selection to exclude a particular document. And now what is happening, guys? System is reacting. System is saying that only 2000. So why there is a difference, guys? Someone just tell me. Any idea? Any clue, guys?
Because we exclude the document numbers, document. So that's why.
See dear, if we exclude it, it's okay. We have excluded. But even when you are going to apply a block, that is also we are excluding only, right? If you apply a block, there is no
After we run the proposal.
Repeat again, Jafar.
After excluding only we run the proposal now. So that's why it shows.
No, I couldn't understand. Can you repeat again what you're saying?
Sir, you are asking that why the entry is showing 2000? No, sir. Your question is that only.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, we exclude the document, sir. Then after only we run the proposal. So that's why it shows 2000.
Okay. And earlier, like we have applied a block. So in that case, system is showing 6000 here.
Because after we run the proposal only we apply the blocks, sir.
Yes.
No.
So that is the logic, guys. Generally, what happened here, whatever Jafar is saying, that is correct. Now here, generally in free selections, we have given all the criteria. Then we are running the proposal, right? So what is happening? The proposal is getting generated as per the given criteria. Now the next one is we have applied a block, right? So if you have applied a block, that is first of all the proposal got generated, and then after we have edited the proposal, right? So whatever proposal log generated, there is no any changes in that. Okay, there is no any changes. We can, because what we have done now, after generation of this proposal log, then we are going to edit the proposal. That is the difference. Okay, so here guys, what is happening in free selections now? So from here also you can include or exclude. But generally what happens guys, as for a single document, let's suppose if we have to exclude a single document, in that case, it depends upon end user. Multiple solutions are there, anyone can be used by them, right? But generally what happens, where is the use of this free selection data? So let's suppose these are the line item posted for this business area. Okay, so there are 4 line item. Okay, posted for business area, manufacturing business area, right? Remaining these 3 posted for service business area. Now here guys, there is a requirement. All the invoices are overdue. So there is a requirement that whatever invoices we have posted for manufacturing business area, the payment is going to be posted for those invoices only. So in such kind of cases, what is happening guys? We are going to use this free selection tab. I'll just do one thing. Yes, it's working fine. So I just do one thing. We'll make all the invoices overdue. And here you have to give business area. There is one more invoice worth of 3,000. Now we'll post certain invoices for service business area, right? So these are the 3,500, 2,500 and 1,000. I think my server is a bit slow guys. Save it. Okay, 1,500. Save it. We'll post one more. So the requirement is that whatever invoices we have posted for manufacturing business area, those invoices only supposed to be selected for payment posting, right? So what will happen, guys? It's pretty simple. In such kind of cases, what is happening? We are going to use free selection tab, right? Free selection tab is going to use to include or exclude the line items. Delete the proposal, guys. Come to free selections, and here this time what is happening? Double click on others, press enter, and here is the business area. Select business area here, and let's suppose. So now if you have to exclude the TSRB and check it means if I have selected TSRB, that is exclude, then automatically this is going to be included, guys, right? So just do one thing. Now if you're going to run the proposal, so display the proposal, all the manufacturing 10,000 means 4 invoices, the other 4 invoices got selected, right? Or else even we can do one more thing, guys. So first of all, delete this proposal. Click on free selection, and here remove exclude. So if you remove exclude, then what is happening, guys? It means include. What include? TMAN. TMAN. Okay. Now, so here, if you remove the check mark, then it is include the value, right? Include the value means, let's suppose you are having multiple selection criteria. These all are business area. So out of these all business area, if there is a requirement that the payment is going to be posted against all the line item which is posted against business area B. It means only this is going to be included into payment run. So if you are going to say this is only is going to be included, it means automatically these 3 are going to be excluded, right? You guys can test it. Just save it here. So if you remove a check mark from here and I've given TMAN, it means only TMAN line items are only going to be included, right? So we have already run the proposal first. So we have already seen, guys, right? So whether you exclude or include depends upon the requirement, guys. User is going to decide whether they have to select include or exclude, right? Out of this, let's suppose out of this again additional criteria is going to be added that this 4,000 must be excluded. Then what is happening, guys? So look at here. Here you will be having multiple pre-selection criteria. Okay, so payment is going to be done for TMAN. But in that also, exclude a particular invoice. So you select document number, whatever the document number is there, and click here, exclude that. And this is the document number, guys. Just save it. So multiple document number can be added, guys. Simply how it is going to be segregated, give comma, and then again you have to give the document number. This is how it is going to be. So now just save it. And if you click on proposal run, press enter, display proposal. Look at here, that 4,000 got excluded, right? 4,000 got excluded, and only these three line items are there. So what is the use of free selection tab, guys? The free selection tab is going to be used to include or exclude the value. Okay. So now here, okay. So free selection is that is the even free selection tab like us. Same free selection will be there. Like later, once I start a topic called dunning, there also we are having free selection. So dunning is also having the similar what to say interfaces and all, in the sense similar layout will be there. And in dunning also you'll be having a free selection tab. So similar use is there, guys. Okay, so free selection means we are going to include or exclude certain line items. So let's suppose generally what happens, how the people are going to ask the questions. They will say that let's suppose while running APP, I'm having like let's suppose 10 invoices against a particular vendor. Out of 10 invoices, 6 invoices we have posted for business area A, 4 invoices we have posted for business area B. And now we have to run APP, right? And our requirement is that system should select only 6 invoices, whichever is posted for business area A. So is it possible to run APP business area wise? You have to say yes. Is it possible to run APP document date wise, posting date wise, cost center wise, profit center wise, terms of payment wise, right? In every cases you have to say yes. Why? Because I've shown you guys almost every selection parameters, like if you talk about selection here, sorry, free selection tab, then almost every criterias are already given. If you check here, okay, so every criterias, click on errors, sorry, others. So every criterias, and not only for this, like double click here. The system is a bit slow. So document, vendor master and customer master. So even in master data record also multiple fields are there, guys. Those fields are also added, and at document level whatever the fields are there, guys, those fields are also added, right? So in criteria, like let's suppose if you have to include or exclude these all, whatever this uh, selection. Look at here, guys. Multiple fields are there. Multiple fields are there. So in every cases, what you have to say, yes, it is possible. And how it is possible? So it is possible with the help of free selection tab. Okay, it's a free selection tab by which we can include or exclude the line item, in the sense invoices, based on certain criteria. Right? Criteria that is going to be decided by users only. This is what the user free selection tab, guys. So that's all in this session, guys, and that's all for today.